Hey guys, what's up? It's Bagelsmith here with another One Piece trading card game opening. I'm opening another two OP05 boxes, Awakening of the New Era. Let's get started. Put this guy to the side for now. Okay, let's open this up. Hope you guys are doing well. Already gotten two anniversary Luffy's. I haven't researched if that's intended for the case or if I was only supposed to get one. Or maybe it fills up a alternate art slot. I have not researched that. Also got our first special card, the last two boxes, and our first alternate art leader. Let's see what we get in these two boxes. At this point, we've seen everything, so here's our Karasu and Houndblaze. Still lots of cards that I want to pull. There's our Shura and Amaru. There's our Baby 5 and Fight Against Pirates. There's our Fight Against Pirates and Super Rare Koala. Oh, there we go. There's our Bello Betty and Whichever Side Wins. Come on, come on. Whoa. Rares are Morley and Super Rare Sabo. There's our Lindbergh and Super Rare Borsellino. There's our Mansherry and Satori and our first alternate art Dawn. All right. 8 packs in so far. Nothing much to say yet. Just a couple super rares and our first alternate Dawn. Rares are Mansherry and Ohm. Rares are Amaru and Hina. Rares are Fire Fist and Shirahoshi. Rares are Karasu and Patchwork. Well, we are already more than halfway through here. It's another bottom heavy box. There's our Virgo and Isho. There's our Lindbergh and Baby 5. Come on, Choppa. There's our Satori and Super Rare Rob Lucci. There's our Killer and Super Rare Ulti. Already 2/3 of the way through here. No hits yet. It's a complete mystery of a box to us so far. Whoa. Here's our Zorajuro and secret rare Monkey D. Luffy. This is the second one we've gotten of the case so far. Again, really cool looking card. Nice hit. All right, we got one hit out of the way. Doesn't tell us much about this box. We still have one alternate art. It could really be anything. Character, leader, whatnot. There's our Shura and Drake. There's our Morley and Houndblaze. Oh, come on there. Oh, there's our Mario and Vivi and our second alternate art Dawn card. 4 more packs to go, expecting one more hit. Maybe last pack magic, maybe, possibly. There's our Beppo and super rare Kid. Rares are Patchwork and super rare Enel. Second to last pack here. Whoa. Rares are Corazon and alternate art Rebecca. Super rare. This closer here. There we go. Oh, again, I like the petal. Looks like petals around her. Definitely, probably a waifu chase card. Look at that. One Piece card game in the bottom left there. Beautiful card. Nice hit. Last pack of the box. Not expecting much here. Stay tuned. I'm going right into my second box after this pack. Here's our Gadatsu and Virgo. All right, and just like magic, we are ready for the second box. Just a 2-hit box in the first box. Not too terrible, really. We already got a lot of 3-hit boxes, and did we? We got 2 3-hit boxes within our first 3 boxes we opened in the first 2 videos I posted, so it's probably good to slow down, save some of those 3 hits until later in the case. Jeez, what am I doing? Let's see what this box holds for us. What will we get out of here? There's our Zorajuro and Belle Betty and alternate art Dawn. The first one of the box. Nice. Fingers crossed that I'm lucky, but it'd be nice to pull another manga rare out of my case. I got lucked out in OP04 and got Manga Sabo. Rares are Hina and super rare Kizaru. And even though they there's 3 manga rares in this set, they didn't make it any easier or harder to pull, but that means it's harder to get the manga rare you want if you do pull it. That makes sense. There's our Drake and Satori. There's our Houndblaze and super rare Law. There's our whichever side wins and fight against pirates. Man, some of these event cards are quite the mouthful. There we go. There's our Satori and Amaru and our second alternate art Dawn. There's our Rosinante and Lindbergh. There's our Hina and Karasu. There's our Manshari and Ohm. Already 1/3 of the way through here. I saw something glimmering back there. Whoa! There's our Patrick and special rare. If the focus is here. Special rare. Come on. There we go. Yamato. Again, the very ornate special rare cards for this set. I pulled Lucci already, and my second pull is Yamato. Really beautiful design. You can tell by looking that these are some raised textures. Very ornate, very reflective. Happy to get Yamato at least. This is from OP01, I think. Yeah, OP01, the secret rare of Yamato. Yeah, awesome hit. So with that pull, that means this is probably a leader alternate art box. That's what we should expect next. And maybe a third hit if we get lucky. Fire Fist and Shirahoshi for rares. There's our Lindbergh and super rare Enel. There's our Virgo and Isho. All right. Halfway through the box. Looking for a leader. There's our Baby 5 and Killer. Oh, come on, Orobi. There's our Morley and super rare Pika. There's our Shura and super rare Lucci. We are 2/3 of the way through here. There's our Isho and super rare Kid. Rares are Drake and super rare Law. There's our Mario and Beppo. There's our Satori and Zorojuro. 4 packs to go. 4 packs to go. Oh, rares are Virgo and Alternate art, Bello Betty. Again, one of the 4 Revolutionary Army generals, I think. Captains. Get her exact title. Yeah. Cool character. Hope to see more of her in the manga and the anime. They've only briefly shown her. Yeah. Nice hit. 3 more packs to go. Not expecting much here. Just going to try to finish these out quickly here. Rares are Fight Against Pirates and Bello Betty. Second to last pack. Rares are Ohm and Vivi. In the last pack, remember, stick around. I'll do a recap of both boxes and their hits. Rares are Whichever Side Wins and Man Sherry. All right, guys, thanks for watching today. Here's a recap of the hits from each box. This is the first box that we did. Of course, the alternate Dons. Super rares in the order we pulled them. And then our hits, Secret Rare Luffy and alternate art Rebecca. And then for our second box, we have our alternate art Dons again. Our super rares in order that we pulled them. And then our hits, the special rare Yamato and alternate art leader Bello Betty. So there are the hits there. Let me get these out of the way. All right. So thank you again, guys, for watching today. Another 2 boxes of OP05. Here's these. Slightly better. The Yamato is just so shiny. But yeah, there are the hits for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I will have another 2 boxes for you a week after this goes up. 6 and 7 on my case. We're trucking right along here. We got a lot of boxes open still. And to showcase some more hits. Anyway, until next time, have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and I will see you in the next one. Later.